students. Today I am going to explain nutrition in amoeba. This is the chapter or this is the topic which is in class 7 as well as in class 10. Nutrition in amoeba. When we talk about nutrition, it is of three types. As we know, it is of three types. The first mode of nutrition is autotrophic. Second one is heterotrophic nutrition. And the third one is holozoic nutrition. So today we are going to talk about holozoic nutrition. Why? Because in amoeba, the mode of nutrition is holozoic, like we mammals. We are also holozoic animals. Holozoic mode of nutrition means what? Taking the whole food and digesting in 5 steps. We digest this whole food in 5 steps. What are those steps? These steps are ingestion. The first one is ingestion. Second one is digestion. Third one is absorption. Fourth one is assimilation, or you can say distribution. Assimilation can also be known as or told distribution. And the fifth one is egestion. These 5 steps are found only in holozoic nutrition. So let us know how does amoeba take its food and how it digests. You know, amoeba is a single cellular structure. Unicellular eukaryotic animals. It is unicellular, but it goes through all kind of systems. See how. Amoeba is irregular in shape. So we can draw amoeba anyhow. This is what amoeba. There is a nucleus. This is what cytoplasm. So this is what amoeba. When amoeba see food, do you know what type of food it takes? It takes the small microorganisms or bacteria which are found at the water surface, because this amoeba is also found in moist places. So obviously it is unicellular, so its food must be smaller than it. So it takes bacteria or microorganisms floating at the surface of water. What it does, when it sees food, then with the bit of water, a very small quantity of water, with the help of a very small quantity of water, first of all what it does, it starts surrounding its food with the help of pseudopodia. This is what? Pseudopodia. Pseudopodia means what? False food. Pseudopodia means false and food. Pseudo means false, podia means food. So through its false food, it starts surrounding its food. And then slowly it covers its food. And then food gets inside and directly it goes to food vacuole. The food what amoeba has taken, it goes to food vacuole. So this is what is called ingestion. Taking food inside is called ingestion. Now when it goes to food vacuole, this food vacuole consists some enzymes. With the help of those enzymes, this food gets digested. And then digested food goes and mixed in the cytoplasm. Or you can say digested food is absorbed by cytoplasm. So this process of digestion done in food vacuole and absorbing this digested food is called absorption. So what we people have seen, ingestion we have seen, digestion we have seen, and absorption we have seen here. Now assimilation and egestion. This digested food, when it goes to the cytoplasm, now what cytoplasm does? Cytoplasm distribute this food to the different parts of amoeba, like cell membrane, some parts get mixed in cytoplasm, some goes to the food vacuole, some goes to nucleus, so that they can utilize this nutrition for their functioning or for their maintenance of structure and function. So we have done now assimilation. Now what happened with the leftover food in the food vacuole, which is solid food, concentrated food. So this concentrated food, it goes somewhere at the side of this amoeba, at the side of cell membrane in amoeba, and then finally the part of amoeba get ruptured from anywhere and this food is ingested. This indigested food is ingested from the part of amoeba. Somewhere cell membrane get ruptured and through which this indigested food is eliminated out. So this is what the way we have learnt about egestion. As I have told you, holozoic nutrition or the method of nutrition, that is holozoic, it consists 5 steps. So digestion completes in 5 steps. Taking of food, ingestion. Digestion of food in food vacuole, digestion. Absorption of liquid food by the cytoplasm in amoeba, absorption. Giving this food to the different parts of amoeba is assimilation, and egestion or eliminating the leftover food or solid food through the body of amoeba is called egestion. So I hope you people like this video or you understand it well. If you understand it well, please write the comment and subscribe this for more videos. Thank you very much.